up much space. They can be launched from any shelter. This Iron Bird is capable of tracking, transmitting information, aiming at targets, and most importantly, destroying everything in its path. Of drone Switchblade 600. They are also called kamikaze drones. The principle of operation is quite simple. The drone is launched, and the control is picked up by the operator. Target and dives to a given point, while the maneuverability of the drone is such that it is almost impossible to bring down the air defense system. Kamikaze drones. This is a guaranteed target hit. Defeat is almost equal to 100%. They can hover in the air for up to 30 minutes, and can go into the depth of the enemy's defense up to 80 kilometers. And now imagine an artillery battery of 6 guns firing at our positions. 6 drones come out and 6 guns are gone. They are not there at once. Or let's say a tank column is advancing. We again release 5 or 10 drones. 10 tank companies have disappeared, shot down. There's a lot of hidden functions. It can work as a fire spotter, or reconnaissance. It can intercept enemy drones, or literally fly in flocks on one given target, thereby causing maximum damage. You less than 10 minutes to launch this drone. It can be done both from the ground and from moving platforms. The drone can engage in reconnaissance, detect targets, defeat them at a distance of up to 80 kilometers. Its airborne anti-tank warhead has the power to destroy almost any armored vehicle. The simplicity and cost. The drone is simply amazing. The complete set weighs 9 kilograms and the cost is only a few $1,000s. It does not need to be carried behind the back along with the ammunition. The tiny tube is disposable, and very convenient. It is the size of a toy drone. My young daughter. Charge can be activated before direct contact, in order to use the drone thus against infantry, and not just against vehicles. American, Ukrainian intelligence. A difficult battle for the Donbas awaits us. The enemy has already managed to make trenches there, equip positions, managed to establish air defense. It is in these conditions that combat drones are our trump card. Drones for use only in special operations, but when they were tested in practice, the result met all expectations. Accurate, fast, incredibly powerful, and elusive for the enemy. As a result, they were issued to the Army, the Coast Guard, and even some units police.